Hello beautiful people of YouTube, how are you doing? Today we're creating a basic neutral look with a pop of color. To start off, I primed my eyelids with my NYX Prove It eyeshadow base, and then I used the shade Naked from the Naked Decay, the original palette. As always, I am building up that pigment, and then I'm blending the shade in. In the next step, I am using the shade Buck in my crease. And also, can you see that my lighting is changing constantly? Like in every shot, the lighting will be different. And I'm very sorry about that, but I do film in front of a video, so that means I'm using natural lighting. And it was cloudy, but I do think it gives you the best results, like true color, and you really see what you're doing. Then I blended some more. Now I took the shade Dark Horse from the same palette and applied that to my outer half of the lid. This is just to intensify the look again. And again, build up that pigment. Don't overload your brush, it will make it splotchy. As a lid shade, I'm using Half Baked from the same palette. And for this, I spritzed my brush with some setting spray so that the pigment, it's more opaque this way. Usually I would go in with my fingers and just apply the shade like this, but for some reason I wanted to do it with a brush today. No particular reason at all. And now we're adding our pop of color, and I'm doing that by using the Longlasting eye pencil in the shade I Have a Green from Essence, and I'm just drawing on a regular eyeshadow, eyeliner, I'm sorry. You can see that the pencil is very creamy, which makes it easy to draw on. But then again, you might have to set it with some powder, eyeshadow or any of that kind, because it tends to slide around. Also with this look, you can basically use every color you would like to. I then applied the shade Dark Horse and Buck on my lower lash line and smoked that out. Now it's time to apply your favorite mascara. For me, that is the Catrice Glam in Waterproof. I also added some highlight in my inner corners and finished off the look by applying the same eye pencil in my waterline. And there you have it. This is basically the finished look. Thank you very much for watching, and maybe, only maybe, consider subscribing. I also have my Instagram link below where I post several colorful looks, but sometimes I find myself not being able to film all these looks, especially when I'm doing a cut crease. I hope you don't mind. Anyway, thank you so much. Also let me know, how are you doing, how's the quarantine? And yeah, see you in my next video. Goodbye!